we've done in the past to be successful does not automatically mean that we will be a success in the future. If we do everything the same way tomorrow that we did today, what will be the difference in 12 months? What am I doing today to make myself a better salesperson than I was yesterday? If we are not continually evolving and growing, we can run the risk of taking steps backwards. Remember, your best customers are your competitors' best prospects. Your competitors are calling on your customers. Are you opening the door for your competitors to take those customers by failing to build your relationship and outside sales skills? Since starting Excel Sales Consulting in 2001, I've been very fortunate to train thousands of salespeople, sales managers, and company owners. The Relationship Selling Skills Outside Sales course is based on real-world experiences. With over 3 decades of experience in sales, I've created a sales process using the positive mindset as the foundation. This sales process is a fresh approach that is truly customized for today's selling world. I understand the challenges that you face as I've walked the same road. In this course, you will learn how to create strong relationships and build strategic plans that will build your business and increase your sales potential. It will maximize your efficiency and provide you with the necessary tools that inspire you to build clear plans that are guaranteed to produce positive results. Key areas addressed in this course will be daily planning techniques, territory planning, assessing opportunities, building prospects and bringing in new customers, creating positive impressions, properly defining needs, introducing the right solutions, engaging in long-lasting relationships, and how to conduct effective business assessment meetings with your key customers to help you avoid losing your business to your competition. You cannot afford to lose this business. The goal of this course is to help sales managers as well. Create a consistent process that will help them reduce stress and set consistent expectations with their sales teams. This course is for everyone in the company that is in sales, from the new salespeople to the seasoned professionals that are looking to continuously build their skills and sharpen their competitive edge. I'm looking forward to the possibility of discussing your training needs, to present at one of your upcoming sales conferences, or to customize a strategic sales training program for your company. You can reach me directly at nrose@excelsalesconsulting.com or at 403-999-8054. To check out more of our online and live training programs, visit our website at www.excelsalesconsulting.com. Thank you, and remember to enjoy life to the fullest and maintain a positive attitude.